Hey there! If you're tired of the 9-to-5 grind, struggling to make ends meet, or just looking for a career change, then this video is for you. Whether you're fresh out of school, stuck in a dead-end job, or simply seeking a more fulfilling career, the world of trade jobs has something to offer everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to unlock high-paying trade jobs in just 5 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. Just 5 minutes to set yourself on a path to a lucrative and rewarding career. Stick around, because you won't want to miss this. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to follow, making your journey to a high-paying trade job as smooth as possible. First things first, trade jobs are massively underrated. Despite their importance and the high demand for skilled workers, they often don't get the recognition they deserve. People often think you need a college degree to make good money, but that's just not the case. In reality, many trade jobs offer competitive salaries and excellent benefits without the burden of student loans. In fact, some trade jobs pay even more than jobs requiring a 4-year degree. Imagine earning a substantial income while doing something you love and are skilled at. So, where do you start? The journey to a high-paying trade job begins with a few simple steps. Step 1. Identify your interests and strengths. This is crucial because your career should align with what you enjoy and excel at. Do you enjoy working with your hands? Maybe you find satisfaction in building or repairing things. Are you good at problem solving? If you love tackling challenges and finding solutions, a trade job might be perfect for you. Maybe you have a knack for fixing things. Whether it's cars, appliances, or machinery, your skills are in high demand. Pinpointing what you love and what you're good at is crucial. Step 2. Research. This step involves gathering information about various trade jobs and their requirements. Look up high-paying trade jobs. Use online resources, job boards, and industry websites to find detailed information. Some of the top contenders include electricians, plumbers, HVAC technicians, and welders. These professions are not only in high demand, but also offer excellent earning potential. Did you know that experienced plumbers can make up to $90,000 a year? And that's just one example. Many other trades offer similar or even higher salaries. And that's just the beginning. The more experience and skills you gain, the higher your earning potential. Step 3. Get trained. Proper training is essential to succeed in any trade job. Most trade jobs require some form of certification or apprenticeship. The good news? These programs are often shorter and cheaper than a traditional college degree. Plus, they provide hands-on experience, which is invaluable. These programs are often shorter and cheaper than a traditional college degree. You can complete your training in a fraction of the time it takes to earn a degree. Plus, many of them offer paid apprenticeships, so you can earn while you learn. Step 4. Networking. Building a strong professional network can significantly boost your career prospects. Join trade associations, attend job fairs, and connect with professionals in your chosen field. Networking can open doors to opportunities you might not find otherwise. It's all about who you know and how you leverage those connections. Step 5. Apply and succeed. With your training and connections, it's time to start applying for jobs. Don't be discouraged if you don't land your dream job right away. With your training and connections, it's time to start applying for jobs. Tailor your applications to highlight your skills and certifications. Tailor your resume to highlight your skills and certifications. Make sure to emphasize any hands-on experience and relevant training you've completed. Don't be afraid to start small. Experience will help you climb the ladder to those higher-paying roles. Every job is a stepping stone to greater opportunities. And there you have it. In just 5 minutes, you've got a roadmap to a high-paying trade job. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to a successful and rewarding career. In just 5 minutes, you've got a roadmap to a high-paying trade job. Remember, the key is to identify what you love, get the proper training, and network like crazy. Stay committed, and the rewards will follow. Remember, the key is to identify what you love, get the proper training, and network like crazy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks on how to level up your career. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks on how to level up your career. Your dream job is just a few steps away. Until next time, good luck on your journey to a high-paying trade job. Stay motivated and keep pushing forward, Mo.